Welcome to Honey's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. Today's recipe, Gutti Vankaya curry. Items required for this recipe: brinjal, turmeric powder, tamarind, garam masala, salt, curry leaves and oil. Preparation for masala. Keep the pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of peanuts, 4 dried red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of dried coconut, 2 cardamom, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and salt for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and half tablespoon of poppy seeds and salt for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cool completely and take into the grinder and add little bit of water and make into fine paste. Take the masala and stuff into the brinjal. Keep the pan on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add stuffed brinjals into the pan and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of salt, add some curry leaves and saute for 1 minute. Add masala into the curry and saute for 2 minutes. Then add small cup of tamarind pulp and saute for 1 minute and close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Add some garam masala and some coriander leaves and close the lid for 2 minutes. Gutti Vankaya curry is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Honey's Kitchen. For more videos, hit the bell icon.